Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at a mattress designed specifically for athletes. It's called the Molecule. In particular, we're going to be looking at the Molecule2 mattress. This mattress is slept on by athletes such as Tom Brady, Russell Wilson, and Alex Morgan. In fact, their tagline is optimal sleep for ultimate performance. What that really boils down to is if you're an athlete, you're taxing your body all day, you want to get the best sleep so you can hit it again the following day. So let's dive in. So what about the Molecule2 makes it so appropriate for athletes? Well, starting with the cover, you notice that it has a hexagon-shaped pattern. Inside those shapes is a temperature-sensitive polymer that's going to help regulate your temperature throughout the night. It's also treated with antimicrobial material. So if you're coming in for the gym and you're sweaty and you really need to crash on it, you can certainly do that, although I really advise you probably take a shower. Now underneath that, you get 2 inches of what they call the MolecularFLO foam. This is an extreme open cell foam technology, which is designed to dissipate 7 times more air than traditional foam will. So you also get consistent airflow throughout the night. It's constantly working. Underneath that, you get 3 inches of what they call RecoveryFLO foam. This foam is also designed in a hexagon shape, and it's made so that you get pressure relief in certain areas and support in others to even you out across the mattress. Finally, you get 7 inches of the ContourFLO foam. This basically absorbs all the motion transfer and provides a consistent sleeping surface. So it all adds up to a mattress that's designed to keep you cool throughout the night, and for an athlete, it gives you optimal pressure relief so you stay asleep and wake up recharged. Overall, the Molecule mattress, it feels great and it's great at regulating temperature. I'm not a star athlete by any means, as you can tell, but I really appreciate what they've done with the construction. So, as you can tell by the name of the layers, they're all about airflow. And the reason being is that whether you're an athlete or just somebody like me, you want temperature regulation throughout the night. You don't want to wake up hot and sweaty and have to toss and turn throughout the night. That's a huge issue with not being able to get the optimal recovery that you need. Second of all is motion transfer. This is an all foam mattress, so if you have a partner that moves around or gets up at night, you're not going to feel it. It's just one less thing to wake you up. Now in terms of sleeping on your side, back, or stomach, really it is versatile enough for any type of sleeper, although I do recommend the Molecule2 in particular for side sleepers. It just has a little bit more extra cushioning, even on that top layer, to give you optimal pressure relief. Overall, it's a great mattress. I highly recommend it for athletes or even somebody like me. So what is the cost of a great night's sleep for an athlete? Well, it's surprisingly less than you think. You can get a twin size Molecule2 for $1,099, a queen size for $1,499, or what I recommend for couples especially is a king size at $1,899, and that's before any discounts. Now this mattress comes with a standard 100-night free trial. Molecule recommends that you try the mattress for a minimum of 30 nights to really allow your body to adjust to the new feel. Should you decide to keep it, it comes with what they call their infinity warranty. Now this is a standard warranty in terms of all of the things that they cover, but what makes it unique is it's covered as long as you own this mattress. It's also made in the USA, so there's really no question as to where this material is coming from. And it's also made via a process called variable pressure foaming. So there isn't as much of an environmental impact, or it's not as resources intensive as a process as traditional foam would be. Now the Molecule2 is a bit more than your typical online mattress, even after discounts, but given the technology baked into this mattress and the real attention to detail they pay with airflow and keeping you cool, in my mind, it really justifies the price. In particular, I recommend the Molecule2 for side sleepers. I think it provides excellent cushioning and contouring. Now, whether you're an athlete or just somebody like me that tends to sleep hot, it's going to allow you to stay asleep without waking up through the night, and that's where the recovery is really going to come into play. So if you want to learn more about this mattress and really dive into the details, head on over to sleepsherpa.com. where we're going to show you more of the insides and how it all works and give you the latest discounts at sleepshipper.com.